Well, Terminator hasn't always been this glam. I was a drab little crab once. Now I know I can be happy as a clam, because I'm beautiful, baby. Did your granny say, listen to your heart, be who you are on the inside? I need 3 words to tear her argument apart. Your granny lied. I'd rather be seafood.
Hey, crab cake! I'm back. Mwah. What do you say, little buddy? Giant Hawk, coming up!
Holy Jesus. What is that? What the fuck is that?
Well. Little Maui's having trouble with his look. You little semi-dummy mini-god.
Croissant.
What a terrible performance. Get the hook. Get it? You don't swing it like you used to, man.
Croissant.
Yet I have to give you credit for my start and your tattoos on the outside. For just like you, I made myself a work of art. I'll never
Croissant.
hide. I can't. I'm too shy.
Croissant.
Watch me dazzle like a diamond in the rough. Strut my stuff is so shiny. Send your armies, but they'll never be enough. My shell's too tough, my way man.
Croissant, croissant.
You can't expect a demigod
Croissant.
to take apart. Pick it up. You will die.
Croissant.
To take apart. You're aching hard. Far from the ones who abandoned you, chasing the love.
Croissant.
Humans who made you feel wanted. You tried to be tough, but your honor's just not hard.
Croissant.
Now it's time to kick your high.
Croissant.
Ever seen someone so shiny? Soak it in, cause it's the last you'll ever see. Say la vie, mon ami, I'm so shiny. Now I eat you, so prepare your final plea. Just for me.
Croissant.
You'll never be quite as shiny. You wish you were nice and shiny.
Croissant.